So you want to know a simple side hustle to make money online, and I'm going to show you one of the simplest plans, and it's called digital marketing using master resale rights products. See, a lot of people are seeing the courses and they're wondering, is this just a course to sell a course? But here's the background. You get into these courses, pick a right product that shows you digital marketing, shows you how to host products, how to make the online store, how to do automations, how to speak to people in content, how to create content, how to convert with your content, how to get leads, how to get sales, and rinse and repeat. You take this information for 30 to 90 days and master it, and then you launch your own product. We have to stop making these things so complex. It's that simple. The end goal is to launch your own thing if that's what you want. Reselling a course, there's no problem, because even if you just resold a course, you're reselling the course in hopes of the next person wanting to start their own product, start their own community, do their own coaching program. You're getting people this information. See, this is the best era we're in because you literally can make money selling people information. Different people are going to do different things with the information. Some people are just going to sell the course to the right buyer, and some people are going to take the information, sell the course, and sell their own information. So now that we got that out the way, so digital marketing is literally supply and demand. You take a product in demand such as education, you use platforms to get leads, people looking at your website, and you run them to this product. This product is connected to a system. This system is going to explain this product, and the system is connected to a series of automations. Because most people don't purchase, they don't believe in the product, they don't think it's real, they have to do their own due diligence. But these emails are going to keep selling for you. And then hopefully they purchase. See, the issue with a lot of people is it's not does it work, it's will you stay in it long enough for it to work? Because you have to realize there are billions of people online. If you look into the digital marketing space, products are being sold. I mean, a lot of products are being sold. A lot of people are starting these businesses, so it works. You're just going to quit before it works for you. So in this specific product, and actually I'm going to pull the product, it has hours and hours of information on how to really speak to your audience, how to find your ideal customer to be exact. And even on the back end for a bonus, we do 90-day runs where it's just so much information on how to do this. You have to realize you just have to keep being consistent. One thing that really ruined me is I kept quitting. And every time you quit or every time you start a new opportunity, you reset your dominance online. So you got to understand that you have the information. As long as you know your information is packed, that's 99% of the work. The next is simply following the steps we're going to show you and just putting your content out there over and over. When people see that you're doing this for 90 days, they're like, all right, they're serious. They're still speaking about it. I'm seeing other people getting success. I'm going to get started. And what's so amazing about this product is the highest product is $900. So imagine most households probably make $1,700 a week, maybe $2,000. So imagine 2 sales a day or a week from online work. Imagine in 90 days launching your own product that's yours, like your own product. Imagine that. Like I launched books. I got so many things coming out. I'm working on my school academy, all from stuff that I learned. And this is the most simplest way for you to make money online in 2025. Because you're going to set up your system. You're going to set up everything I showed you in a day or two. And you're going to start really going through your training and understanding the digital marketing side of it. Your ideal customer, you're going to start your social medias and start uploading right away and learning and staying to the same content. A lot of people are going to say, you always keep talking about the same thing. Yeah, because that's what I do. When anyone has a job, when they're at their job, they do that same thing over and over. I'm a digital marketer, so I'm going to be talking about digital marketing. Digital marketing is what I do. I'm going to mix in some stuff that entertains my audience, but it's going to all be around digital marketing. So, guys, this is the most simplest way to make money online in 2025. Launch this right now. I'm going to leave everything in the description. We have payment plans, etc. Put the money in there, invest in yourself, and set yourself up perfectly. in January, beginning of 2025. So the rest of the year, you're not going through what you did last year.